The article reports on a new study by German scientists who have identified a process that may slow down aging in humans. The research was conducted by scientists at the Leibniz Institute on Aging in Jena, Germany. The scientists found that the absence of a particular protein called Lamin B1 in the nuclei of senescent cells slows down the aging process. Senescent cells are cells that have stopped dividing but remain metabolically active. They accumulate in tissues as we age. By studying Lamin B1 in senescent human cells and in mice, the researchers found that the absence of this protein delays cellular aging and extends the lifespan of mice by up to 20%. The scientists believe that Lamin B1 plays a key role in maintaining the architecture and structure of the nucleus. When Lamin B1 is missing in senescent cells, the deterioration of the nucleus is slowed down, thereby delaying aging. This discovery points to a possible target for drugs or therapies that could mimic the effects of reduced Lamin B1 levels to slow aging in humans. However, more research is needed to fully understand the mechanisms involved. If validated, this finding could open up new possibilities for slowing aging and age-related diseases. The researchers believe it may one day be possible to slow aging in a targeted way by regulating Lamin B1 levels.